Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I make this activity book for kids using Canva. Alright, so let's do this. So the main theme of this activity book is alphabet. So here are some of the letters that I've already made, and let's start with the letter A. So here is the letter A. So this is the blank page. I'm gonna put something there like the title of this activity book. And first is the story. Okay, so there is a story, and then I put the letter A as like, for example, alligator as their first activity. Okay, so let's go to letter A first. I'm gonna show you guys. I have a story, the adventure of alphabet from A to C. So I start with the letter A. So I get these images in Canva, and I'll show you guys how you can get this. And the story, of course, ChatGPT. I asked the ChatGPT to create a story about alphabet. After the story about letter A, there is an activity followed by each letter. So for letter A, I put this alligator, and how to write alligator as you see here, guys. I'm gonna make a little bit bigger so you can see. So this is the alligator. It starts with letter A, and I put this arrow from how they going to start to write the letter A, and there is a number here as you see. So you're just going to trace this one to write the letter A, and after that they can also color the letters whatever color they want. So this is the first activity that I put in this letter, and they can also color this alligator inside of this alligator. Okay, then the next activity is the animals from A to C. So color the animal and trace the words. So this is the alligator, and then they just color this whatever color they want. And then I also put the alligator maze, so they can start here and they find a way out until they get into this into the end. And then the dot to dot also, I included this one so that they can practice writing and numbers counting. So I put this number from letter A, and then they just connect the dots, and then follow the numbers to connect each dot also for the small letter A. Okay, so this is for the big letter, and this is for the small letter A. And then next is for the B. So B is for bear, and then this is the story of the letter B. Benny the bear climbed the trees. There you go. So I get these images here inside of Canva. Okay, so this is the story for letter T. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna get a prompt so that I can get the image for these stories. I'm gonna start with terrific tiger who prowled through the jungle and strength. Okay, from there, this is the prompt that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna copy this one, and here on your left side there are so many icons, right? So what you're gonna do here is just to scroll down, click the apps. I think I've already have a tutorial on this magic image, so magic media, I mean. Okay, so click this magic media. Okay, and I'm just gonna clear this one, and then I'm gonna paste this one here. Okay, there you go. So once you paste this one here, you can choose the style that you want, but I choose the anime. So you see all my pictures are made by anime. So I'm just gonna continue clicking this one, and I want to create this image for this prompt. So generate, click generate, and just wait for seconds because they're making an image for this. So once you get the image that you want, you have four choices here. Then you can choose one, you can choose two, whatever you want for your book. So now there you go. You can generate again if you don't like, but I'll just gonna get this one. So this is the terrific tiger who prowled through the jungle with stealth and strength. Okay, which one is I'm gonna do? I think I'm just gonna get this one maybe. Okay, just click this one, and you can just make this bigger like that. Okay, I'm gonna put this one up here, and I'm gonna make this tiger bigger like this. There you go. All right, and then I'm going to put the story on the top. See here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna make this, make sure that it is inside of this margin. There you go. There you go. And then you can adjust also the space of the letter if you want to, just like that. Or you can move down a little bit so that it's easy for you to read. Alright, so now there you go. You can also make this 25, you know, make a little bit bigger if you want to, the font. And you can also change the background color of this. So click this one, and it's all up to you guys what background that you want. You wanted this one, so same color of that tiger. And then once you finish with that, now let's go to the second picture, which is the children proud and growled, imagining themselves as mighty tigers on the hand. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this one. I'm gonna copy the children from children here. I'm gonna copy this one, and let's go back to the these apps. I'm gonna clear this one, and I'm gonna paste the one that I copied. Okay, so children proud. So make sure that you click the anime, and then I want to generate this image. So let's wait for a second so I can create a new page, okay, for this prompt. Alright, I'm going to get this one. You see guys, just try any prompt. Maybe I like this one. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this one, put a little bit here so I can see. Okay, and then I will copy this one, the children, mighty tigers on the hand. Okay, I'm just copy this one, and I'm gonna paste here. Alright, so let's change the fonts, and then let's make this a little bit bigger. There you go. So I'm just gonna drag this one up here and make it a little bit smaller so it will fit into the margin, because if you don't, you got an error when you upload this to KDP. Okay, so for the next page, for the activity, what we're gonna do is you're going to get an activity for letter T. You go to the where is it? Go to the design, and here just let's say T writing practice. Let's see if this keyword will work. Alright, so now they give us this letter T. Okay, I'm gonna get maybe okay, this one. T is for tiger. As you see, there's already you know how to write the T here. Okay, I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna change this for white because it's just, you know, a worksheet, so they don't need to print. But if you want to, you know, print the color, it's fine, but I try to make it, you know, white, all of this. There you go. Okay, so this is the first activity, and then for the second one I need to create 5 of this. Okay, what else? Let's go back to the design and see what else we can do. T also is for turtle. There you go. Okay, let's get this one. T is for turtle, so they can color the turtle, you know. So how many activity we got? We have 3, so I need 2 more. Okay, I got one here. Trace the upper letter, and another one here. Trace the letter T, cut and paste. You see, so there is a cut and paste here. Okay, so I think this is fine. Yeah, you see guys, so they can learn cutting skills. They can, you know, trace this one and this one too, trace the uppercase, the lowercase, and things like that, and they can color the 3 here. I think this is fine. Okay, I'm gonna put this one up. T is for turtle. Okay, because T is not only for tiger, so you can also mix some other, you know, words or vocabulary that starts with letter T. So I already have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so next I'm gonna do for letter T, Q, R, S, T, U, and then U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I'm gonna finish all of these guys. I keep on going. So this is how I created this for alphabet journey, or alphabet, I don't know what title I'm gonna give to this activity, but it's a combination of activities, things like that. There's so many activities that you can choose from each letter. It doesn't matter if it is not the same as other letter, as long as kids can learn something from that activity, especially doing coloring, writing, you know, tracing, things like that. So it's better to choose activity that keep them practice and learning how to write and distinguish the letters of the alphabet. So this is how I'm creating this book, guys. So once I'm finished with from letter U, V, W, X, Y, Z, 5 more letters, I'm gonna do the same thing, guys. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial, guys. A simple tutorial. I'm not gonna show you guys from A to Z how I do it, because I do the same pattern what I did from A to Z. I'll just show you guys for that letter how I did my activity book, which is they have a story, they have a letters alphabet from 8 to 24 letters of the alphabet, and including all of these activities that they can work on for each letter. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support, and I'll see you next time for my next activity book. Bye for now.